Hey guys, this is Corbin with My Tennessee Home Solution. I'm in East Nashville today taking a look at a property. This happens to be for an out-of-state landlord who bought the property years ago as a rental, but is now really tired of the repairs and the stress of the tenants. They're not looking to put any more money into the property, and they'd like to get this thing sold with minimal effort. So they called us. Uh, if it seems like it's going to be a good fit, how it works is I go take a look at the house. Then we sit down, if possible, or give you a call and talk about what programs you may qualify for. It costs nothing for us to come out and take a look, and all of our offers are completely no obligation. So if you have a property that just isn't serving you anymore, and you would rather sell it as is than keep putting money into it, give us a call at 615-933-5431 or look us up online, and we'll see how we might be able to help. All right?
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.